20 minutes later.
If you do the cooking by the book, then you'll have.
Break it down, bitch. Let me see you back it up. Drop that ass down low and pick that motherfucker up. Break it down, bitch. Let me see you back it up.
I got a question though.
Sure, what's up?
Man, don't. Who made these pancakes?
Why are they good?
These pancakes was good.
Hold it right there. Right, get to the left.
What? What? Yeah. So, that was today. We just had to go out and buy a cake. That's it. Buy a cake. Done. Done. We were going to buy a cake because we're going upstate for Passover tomorrow to my aunt's house, and we kind of left the keys in the car while it was locked. So we called road assistance, but then my mom's friend said her son could possibly get the car unlocked without, without breaking a window or anything. So he came, and then he had this piece of string, and it's just, I'll just put the video.
Hold it right there. Right, get to the left. Please be long enough.
What?
The knot got smaller.
What's the matter?
The knot.
It didn't work well. It was a good plan, I admit that, but by the time it would have worked, the road assistance guy got here and he went done. Opened in 2 seconds, but we got our car back, and then we went to a pet store, and I met this dog. So adorable. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that. If you have any suggestions of what you want to see, put it in the comments down below. Other than that, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you later.